What we're going to be doing this morning, we're going to be using a Titan 440 airless sprayer. What this sprayer does, it atomizes a chemical that we use on the bus to sanitize the bus. The chemical that we use on the bus is called Oxifer 516. 516 meaning it takes 5 minutes dwell time to kill any of the viruses and stuff that we're going to be taking care of on the bus or inside the building. And 16 is a number that the manufacturer uses because it covers a wide variety of different viruses that are out there. The chemical itself is what you call an accelerated hydrogen peroxide. When the chemical breaks down, it breaks down to oxygen and water. So it's perfectly safe. The chemical dwells, meaning that it stays on the surface wet for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the bus is ready to be used. The chemical can be sprayed in winter, summer, fall. If it's raining outside, so long as it's not raining in the area where you're spraying the actual chemical. So no, there's no atmospheric conditions that would affect the performance or the effectiveness of the chemical. It takes 5 minutes to kill any bacteria or viruses that are covered by this chemical. We are lucky in Suffolk because we've been using this product for the past, I would say, about 10 years. So all of the custodians are very familiar with it.
What we have to do is after the buses have been sprayed down by the maintenance department, we're going to wait 5 minutes prior to the bus's departure, and then the drivers will proceed to pick the students up. After the students are dropped off, we would then have the buses sprayed down again between each run. Now this is going to be an ongoing thing until this pandemic is over. The city of Suffolk is being proactive in this area. We're trying to make sure that the children are in fact safe. Not only the children, but the staff as well. We're going to bring all of our drivers back, and we're going to have an in-service on how to properly clean the buses prior to boarding students.
What we have done over the course of the shutdown, we have moved our entire division from a site-based custodial model to a division-wide model, and all of them fall under the umbrella now of the Facilities and Planning Department. What that has allowed us to do is standardize the tasks that we're going to be doing across all buildings throughout the school division on a daily basis, where before we had 21 different plans in place, basically. So we think this is going to be much more efficient. If you do everything that we've assigned on these task lists, then we consider that room clean and ready for students. Our disinfecting process has been embedded into our overall cleaning process. We'll cover all high-touch surfaces, including desks, chairs, doorknobs, door frames, window seals, HVAC cabinets, countertops, rooms that have restrooms. It will be all restroom surfaces. Right now, it's our plan that classrooms will be disinfected at the end of the day when students leave every day. Restrooms will be disinfected hourly throughout the school day. General cleaning is something that's always been done in classrooms forever. Disinfecting goes beyond that, in that once we have thoroughly cleaned a room, and we do have a cleaning plan that we have put in place, what we are actually doing at this point, we have 18 daily cleaning tasks that will take place in every instructional space, every office, every common space, cafeterias, gymnasiums, locker rooms, and media centers. Embedded in that list of 18 is the disinfecting process. We have 19 weekly tasks on top of those 18 daily tasks. We also have 9 monthly tasks on top of all of those other tasks that will take place in every one of those spaces listed. We also have a grounds checklist for things that will take place outside. And we have a specific restroom cleaning checklist that will take place daily. Hallways are covered under the weekly schedule of our cleaning plan. We will be spraying that hallway wall as we move from one room to the next. In reference to our HVAC systems, our school division, since the shutdown began on March 13th, we have operated all of our systems as though our buildings have been occupied, meaning we have never shut them down. We have never changed the setbacks on them. Our systems have continued to operate day and night. All of our air has been flowing as though we had students in the building for the entire shutdown period. It's our plan, if we have lunches in cafeterias, to follow our general routine cleaning schedule followed by disinfecting between all lunch shifts. For more information about the school's COVID cleaning plan, please access the division's website at spsk12.net and access the COVID-19 resource guide, or give us a call at 757-934-6206.